So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cancel PayPal automatic payments. It's pretty easy on PayPal. So I'll walk you through the entire process. Let's jump around this video now without wasting any seconds. So what you need to do, first, you're going to have to click on here, on this icon right here. So just click on here. Now, once you clicked on this icon, so on that icon, so once you click on here on this icon, this will direct you to this page. And so from this, once you're on this page here, you see your profile, you selected account. Instead of selecting account, you're gonna have to select payments. All right. So now just select payments, and then here on payments, here on payments we have automatic payments. All right, just click on automatic payments, please. And then here in automatic payments we have show inactive and show active. All right, and then here on active we're gonna see all the automatic payments. And then here on this side is going to show you the option to on active automatic payments, going to show you like the subscription you have that's set on automatic, and you're gonna see here an option for to make that active payment inactive, right? So you're gonna see here an option. I forgot to record when I had like active automatic payments, but now they are in show in inactive payments. They are located there. So here we have all the inactive payments. All right, so I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.